Hey guys, and welcome back. So we'll explore the incredible capabilities of Devin AI and how it is transforming the landscape of software development. So Devin is the world's first fully autonomous AI software engineer. Devin can be a tireless, skilled teammate, equally ready to build alongside you or independently complete tasks for you to review, and is not just another coding assistant. It is a groundbreaking AI software engineer that offers end-to-end project handling capabilities. So let's explore some of its key features. 1. Learning and utilizing new technologies. Rapidly, as Devin AI can quickly learn and adapt to unfamiliar technologies, making it a valuable asset for engineers. 2. Building and deploying applications from scratch to finish, as Devin AI can autonomously build and deploy applications, incrementally adding features as requested by the user. 3. Identifying and rectifying bugs in extensive codebases, as Devin AI can autonomously find and fix bugs in codebases, helping engineers maintain and debug their projects. 4. Contributing to mature production repositories, as Devin AI can actively contribute to mature production repositories, assisting in resolving issues and implementing new features. 5. Training and fine-tuning AI models. Autonomously, as Devin AI is capable of training and fine-tuning its own AI models, making it a versatile tool for AI development. 6. Code completion. As Devin AI's code completion functionality analyzes code context and syntax to predict the next lines of code, making coding faster and more efficient. 7. Devin has been equipped with common developer tools including the shell, code editor, and browser within a sandboxed compute environment. This allows Devin to do everything a human would need to do their work. You know that Devin can even do real jobs on Upwork. For instance, Devin can write and debug code to run a computer vision model, sample the resulting data, and compile a report at the end. So Devin is currently in early access, but you can be part of the revolution. Here's how to head over to Cognition Lab's website and check for updates. Keep an eye out for announcements about the official sign-up process. There might be waitlists or specific requirements with natural language interaction, as users interact with Devin AI through a chatbot-style interface, providing natural language prompts. The AI then formulates a detailed plan and autonomously writes code, debugs, tests, and reports progress. So benefits of using Devin AI. 1. Enhanced productivity. Devin AI streamlines your coding tasks, saving you time and reducing errors, allowing you to focus on the creative aspects of coding. 2. Improved code quality. With features like code completion, bug detection, and code refactoring, Devin AI helps you write cleaner and more efficient code. 3. Collaboration and teamwork. Devin AI's collaborative features enable multiple developers to work together on the same project, enhancing teamwork and productivity. 4. Personalized recommendations. The AI-powered insights of Devin AI analyze your behavior and offer personalized recommendations, helping you optimize your coding process. 5. Fuel innovation. As Devin acts as a catalyst for creative problem-solving and rapid development, so Devin AI is a game-changer for software development. It's a chance to work with an intelligent teammate who can automate tasks, tackle challenges, and push the boundaries of what's possible. Stay tuned for updates on how to sign up for Devin and get ready to experience the future of coding. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tutorials. In the comments below, let me know what excites you most about Devin AI.